Let's go to Ask the Experts before we get out of here.
Okay, for the future of my grandkids, I was wondering if it's best to have educational accounts versus investment accounts.
I would say it doesn't necessarily matter. I guess what's the goal? I would like, if it's for education, then you could go to a 529 plan. It would grow 100% tax deferred and tax free if used for education. So that might be a good use of the funds. If the kid doesn't go to school, well, then you could give it to another kid. Or if he takes it out, there's penalties and taxes. So maybe an investment account might be better. So it depends on the goals. Let's go to the next one.
This is from Cheryl, San Marcos. I have several rental properties. What's the best way for me to pass them along to my children and avoid paying excessive taxes?
Die.
Yeah, well, that is the answer. And a lot of people want to give their properties before, I'll put that down there, before actually they pass away. Don't do it. Because if you hold the properties to end of life, the kids will get a step up in basis. And remember, right now it's roughly $11 million can pass to the next generation without estate tax, and the kids get a step up in basis. If you're married, $22 million goes to the next generation. So basically, wait till you pass away.